Hey everyone, and welcome back. So today I got this ice blue Snowball microphone, which we're going to be testing out. Hey there everyone, and welcome back. So today I got this microphone by Blue, and it's called the Snowball, and it's the ice Snowball, and I'm really stoked to actually check it out. We're going to open this, test it, and we're going to review it. Right now I'm recording off my HD Pro webcam C920 Logitech. Yeah, it's a Logitech HD webcam C920. The video is actually really good, but the audio sounds really shitty, and that's why I got myself this microphone here. So let's open it and see what's inside. Alright, so let's check this bad boy out. Open it up from the bottom. Yeah, I heard that these microphones are really good, and I'm really excited to try it out. If I can even open up the box. There we go. Okay, so $100. I guess it would help if I opened it from the top as well. Push the box out. I guess that's gonna be the microphone. Oh, it's falling apart already. Whoa, there we go. The blue Snowball. Alright, I guess that's all that was left in there. Put that down there. And what's in this little box? Let's see. Okay, so we got a tripod, and a cable, and a cord. Alright, that's about it. So basically what comes in the box is your blue Snowball, well it's white but it says blue Snowball microphone. You get your, this is a USB cable and a tripod. And you also get your instructions here. So I'm going to set this up and we're going to be right back and test on how it sounds compared to this Logitech HD Pro webcam C920. Alright, so you just screw the tripod into the back of your Snowball like so, and that's the tripod. And then you got your USB cable, which actually plugs into the back of your Snowball, and then the other side of the USB can plug into your computer, which I am going to do right now. Ding. Okay. That explains that. Basically, the reason why I cut off there was basically because I plugged in the Snowball, and it actually demanded that I use the Snowball, and it wouldn't actually let me record my video without changing from the Logitech microphone to the blue Snowball, which is actually pretty crazy. So that's pretty nuts. So I'm sure it's recording from this blue Snowball. I'm sure it sounds phenomenal. I'm not sure until I actually check it out on the video editor afterwards. Alright, mind you, I'm not the greatest singer, but I don't know, we'll do some, like, I guess some sounds or whatnot. Don't ask me, I don't know. How about hello? Hello? How are you? How are you? I asked you first. I wonder what you guys, if anybody knows what that's a reference to. Also, if you are interested in buying this blue Snowball ice condenser microphone, you can order it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below for $42.50 plus shipping. Depending where you are, you might even get free shipping. Who knows? But yeah, that's my review. I think it's awesome. It's pretty cool. Hopefully, you guys think so too. Anyways, this is the blue microphone, the Snowball, and hopefully it sounds really great. I hope it does. You guys let me know if it sounds amazing, and if it does, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know if it does sound incredibly amazing. And also please subscribe, because it helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. And I think from now on I am going to use this blue Snowball. Anyways, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, and I hope this all sounded good and not too loud and not too distorted. I don't know. This is my first time using this. sure it sounded amazing. Peace out.